What's going on, people? It's your boy Young Division back again with another video. This shoe's interesting. This shoe is very interesting. Today we're going to be reviewing the Nike Air Max 1 Kasina. I managed to hit on the orange pair. I wanted to go for the grey pair initially because it looked better, in my opinion. But after looking at these in hand, they might have just edged it for me. Let's get into the materials of the shoe. So when you take this shoe straight out of the box, it comes in about 5 different colours here, which is surprisingly working well with each other. It comes in this sort of green horsehair material near the swoosh. The swoosh is made out of this sort of buttery leather here, which is actually really nice to the touch. Underneath that, you have the brown suede. Next to it, you have the orange suede with this little Nike tick here with a little flower on top of it. To be honest, it's actually a really well made shoe and probably one of the best materials I've seen on a Nike shoe for a very long time. So hats off to Nike for what they've done with this shoe. And Kasina, obviously, because I think they probably had more of an influence than Nike did. Now, when it comes to the sizing of the shoe, I'd definitely say this fits true to size. I'm a size 9.5 UK, so this definitely fits my foot well. I've tried the right shoe on. It's actually a nice little snug fit. Not too tight, not too loose. It just fits perfectly for me. I don't know if you'd be able to get away with a half size down. It might be a bit too tight on your feet. I mean, most Air Maxes have actually worn like the patterns. They were actually true to size and they fit me perfectly. They were a tiny bit looser than I expected it to be, but these fit perfectly for me, so definitely true to size would be good for you guys. When it comes to the price point, I believe I paid £152 for these on the sneakers app. Yeah, like retail was pretty high compared to the Air Max 1 before. I think Air Max 1s used to be 130, I think it was last year, but 152, the materials you get on this shoe, they're crazy, they're good, they're worth the money. I would have actually paid a bit more just for the materials, if I'm being completely honest. So it's definitely a well-made 10 out of 10 shoe when it comes to that. Now, I've gone over the materials of the shoe. I've gone over how it fits, and I've gone over the price point. Now I'm gonna throw these on foot. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications.